Advanced Phasography Part 16. Qualified Accountant, Qualified Dispenser, Qualified Druggist, Qualified Nurse, Qualified Teacher, Qualifying Examination, Quantity and Description, Quantity and Quality, Queen's Bench, Question and Answer, Question at Issue, Question before the House, Question of the Fact, Question of Time and Money, Quicker than, Quinquennial Report, Quinquennial Valuation, Railway Construction, Railway Economic, Railway Receipts, Railway Revenue, Railway Rolling Stock, Railway Service, Railway Staff, Railway System, Railway Timetable, Railway Transport, Railway Wagons, Rank and File, Rapid Recovery, Rate of Salary, Rate per Hour, Rate per Mile, Rate per Ton, Rates and Taxes, Real and Personal Estate, Real and Personal Property, Real Estate, Reasonable Care and Caution, Reasonable Length of Time, Reasonable Objections, Reasonable Period of Time, Reasonable Requirements, Reasonable Wear and Tear, Receipts and Expenditure, Receipts and Payments, Received with Thanks, Recurring Expenditure, Reduced to a minimum, Referred to above, Referring to the question, Referring to the subject, Referring to your communication, Registered Trademark, Registrar General, Reliability Test, Reliable Source, Reluctantly Compelled, Rental Value, Reorganization Scheme, Report of the Meeting, Report of the Proceedings, Representative Gathering, Research Work, Reserve Capital, Reserve Force, Reserve Fund, Restriction Scheme, Retail Prices, Retail Store, Revenue and Expenditure,